What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE, and I'm back with another video.
She got a rope, shorty, should be that squishing the yoke. I'm feeling the vibe, she liking the style, keep it on the low. I bought the bar, she look like a star, we ready to toast. Shorty's bad, she really bad, she not one of those. She got a rope, shorty's different, leave her alone. She got a rope, shorty ain't tripping, she got a ghost. Shorty, she bad, she got a bag, she not one of those.
In today's video, y'all, I am back with Isee hair, y'all. And this lace, this wig, this curl pattern, this everything about the hair is just hitting for me, y'all. I received a 9x6 M cap, y'all. Melted. This is honestly my hair. A M cap, y'all. This wig comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, y'all, pre-cut. Literally come done for you. This is a beginner-friendly wig. 26 inches water wave. Y'all, when I pulled this hair out the packaging, I was like, oh, this is about to eat. When I held it against my arm and saw how it melted on my arm, I said, oh, this is about to eat. This is about to melt, y'all. This wig, look how thin this lace is. This wig is fire. I ain't gonna hold you. I think they might have the best lace out there, y'all. I don't think I ever received a lace this thin. This wig is eating. I feel like baby hair was gonna mess up the look. I just felt like it wasn't gonna hit. Y'all, this side is still kind of wet. This side is like, you could say, honestly, like 80% dry. I love the big fluffy look, y'all. That's why I'm waiting for this side to dry. This wig is eating. I honestly, my floor just be OG. Like I said, this is 26 inches, y'all, and this hair is thick. It is full, honey. Full. I honestly want to dye this hair jet black because I know this is going to eat even more. I'm going to show you how the lace looks because they sent me a model of the lace. Y'all, let me show you how it looks. So this is how it's looking, y'all. They even send you extra, bro. They send me mad extra bands. This is how the lace looks, y'all. This is exactly how everything looks. Eating. There's no hair on it and the lace is eating. Lace is melted, y'all. Look how thin this lace is. Like, and then look at all this parting space you have, y'all. Like I said, it's a 9x6. Y'all, even got an extra clip to make sure it is secured in the back, y'all. Isee hair doing the damn thing. I ain't gonna hold you. I highly recommend them, y'all. And you know, curly hair can honestly give you a problem, which is, you know, which is normal. But when you find curly hair that don't give you a problem to comb it out, y'all, eating. That hair company is eating. Nah, but I highly recommend this hair. This wig is fire. The same exact link is gonna be down below. Everything's gonna be down below, y'all. About this hair, everything's gonna be down below. Even the other wigs they have, because you know they have plenty more, and I know all their wigs eat. I feel like I never got a bad wig from Isee hair. So yeah, all their wigs is fire. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, 70K, man. Let's get it, let's go. And I'll show you guys another video. Bye.